working something here. Do you think that is Tommy?
No idea.
It's like a pipe of some kind. Once it sticks, doesn't it?
Yeah, she's on there.
Especially with the flat piece. That's good. See what time? Oh, more of that stuff that I pulled out last week. The brick tires.
Yeah. Collaborate.
You sure? Nah.
Yeah. Yeah, over it.
Oh, it might be.
It dragged over. It looks like a rock though.
Mm.
Yeah.
Oh, there's bubbles.
Yeah.
Bubbles is a good sign. That means there's something in there that's in the
a bit.
ground, and you just got to keep working it backwards and forward.
It's the rock.
Oh, pliers, is it?
Yep.
Awesome. Let me take a photo of that, huh? Okay, hang on. Oh, he's got something. What is that, a pram?
I don't know.
It dropped.
Yeah.
The bubbles over there, I can see it. They're
I
dropped.
still got something on it though.
What is that? Is that a leg stand from one of those chairs? The outdoor chairs?
Hey!
What do you think?
I'm thinking so as well.
Ah, not bad, buddy. Let's go to the next one. Oh, you must have the rest of that chair. That's the rest of that chair I was talking about trying to get you to get. So you must just be getting bits and pieces. What's that? Is that it for a dog lead or?
I don't know what that is.
Strange. Hit that comment, guys, if you know. Lot of rocks.
If you know what type of rocks they are, let us know as well.
Yeah.
Oh, it's something heavier down there.
I've got a feeling it's right in. Hear that clonk?
Yeah. I think there's rocks down there.
Eddie, can I say to you?
Yeah.
Dad, can I edit?
Yeah, she can help.
Can
You're
I edit?
working something, or are you just dragging along metal?
I thought it was.
Oh, not this.
They're working on something.
Oh, more the. What is that? That's probably more of that chair.
I think so.
Would you say?
Yep.
And you got more brick tires too. It's a good find there, guys. Joshua's pile. Tommy's pile. I'm only joking. He's got more on the other side. Everyone has the slippers here. Let's see if I can use that anchor then. Yeah, you're right on it. Oh, we missed it. Not yet.
Dad,
Not yet, son. Yeah! Is that a basket?
Yeah.
what is that? What is that?
Huh?
What's the trolley? Dad,
Oh, that part's magnetic. Is that for a bike? A bike basket?
I think so.
Wow.
what is that?
That's awesome.
What are you You
We'll
got
just-
a bar.
He's got his own basket. But that belongs on a push bike on the back.
Yeah, I think a motorbike.
Would you see it?
Motorbike.
You sure? You know those push bikes? I haven't seen those on. Yeah, maybe you're right. What's it called? Hang on. Explorer 23. Is it 23 or 29er disc? Wow. Okay, give me a sec. Ooh, good throw, Christian. Now pull it in. Let's see what you get. Let's see what you get. And Tommy might need to help you too.
Yeah.
Christian, go in. Okay, Christian, you got to go to Tommy. Go closer to Tommy.
Got this little bit.
Okay, go to the front, Christian. Go to the front here.
Yeah.
Good man. Grab it, Christian. Pull it out.
Oh, what do you got?
What'd you get, Christian?
I got some nails.
Wow, you got some nails? Oh, wow.
Yeah.
What's that sharp thing there?
Just
Cool.
like
What's that sharp thing? Is that a bit of scissors or a knife? Oh no, it's just something else. Well done, Christian.
Thanks.
Well done.
Put me
That's
in
a
there.
good.
I am going to put you in it.
Put it in. Put the tags in.
Christian's pulling in. Keep pulling, Christian. Ooh, you felt like you nearly had something then. Doing well. Keep pulling. Bubbles. What do you got? Keep pulling in. Keep pulling.
Oh,
Ooh, that was Joshua's little splash. What do you got there? Can you pick up the rope? What do you got there? Pick up the rope, pull it in. Oh, more of the red ties. Well done, Christian. What else you got on the other side? Well done. Look what Christian's got here. Swing over to this way. Oh, some metal there, bits of metal.
Old stand.
Right side. Not bad. What did you find? Okay.
That's a bat. Metal.
Yeah. Let's see what you got. Oh, you got a bolt.
Wow.
Haven't got that.
Orange.
You got a sec? What is that? That's a funny. Oh, two bolts together.
Wow.
They're rusted together.
Yeah, that's a good find.
Well
I
done.
found 2 bolts.
Good one, Christian. Thumbs up.
Thanks, Dad.
You're welcome.
Oh.
Did you say thank you, Tommy, for cleaning a magnet for you?
That's alright.
Oh, Christian.
Gosh. Look at that.
Wow.
Metal pipe.
Another pole.
That's a good find.
It is.
Imagine if I
Let me
found
take a photo. Christian's pulling in. Well, what is it?
A piece of wire.
No, I can't get
Stuck.
You're going to need help.
it. Yeah.
Tommy's help.
Very good. My first time going there.
Oh, you've been magnet fishing before.
I just saw bothering.
Oh.
What's he got? Oh, Christian.
What?
What do you have?
I don't know.
Two things.
Got quite a few things there. What is that? That's pretty good. Let's put it with our other rubbish on. That looks like part of a bike. That
Yeah.
last bit. Yeah, it is.
Handlebars, yeah.
Yeah. Christian, you pulled out some handlebars from a push bike. Can I take a photo of
Find
that?
the rest of the other bike.
That was a good find, guys.
Yes.
Make sure to subscribe to me on Christian videos as well.
You're working those bubbles there.
Still water.
Still tension on that rope?
Yeah.
Oh wow. What is that?
Land.
That's an odd shape, isn't it?
Anything
Very
good,
odd
Tom?
shape. Turn upside down. Let's see
Anything good,
underneath it.
Tom?
Yeah, what is... That's strange,
That's
eh?
what the others.
Definitely off something. Tommy here's doing a marathon run. 3 in 1 go. Just throwing out and
Mouthful.
pulling in. Let's go, buddy. Okay, let's see how quick he pulls this in.
Yeah.
He's working it. Working it. Let's see what he's got. He's just dropped it. He's bringing it back in. Okay, let's just clean it. Clean it. Quick clean and then toss out. Stand back, Christian. Oh, nice distance there. Let's see what he pulls in. What's on there? Bits and pieces. Just get it back in. Oh wow, awesome. Nothing like that. Working it. Oh, hardly anything of 3 he got.
Huh?
What's he got?
Dad.
Yes, son. Love you too, son. Yes. Ooh, what's he got? Is that more of that leg?
Can I join?
Oh no, it's like a big peg, doesn't it?
Can I join?
Wow. Let me take a snabby of that. Look at that. Look what he's hooked on himself onto. A different trolley this time. That looks like a Woolworths one too. That's got a lot of stuff inside too. I'll go if you want to get Josh Mills. Loves. Is your mic is with Joshua? Sorry? No, Christian. Oh, he's giving it a good yank. Look at that. Some power straight here. Just driving it hard.
Oh my God.
Driving it. We've got to try to push our rocks away, guys. Let's get it out this way here, guys. Awesome.
Actually, are you serious? Dad, are you serious?
Awesome. The wheels are still working, are they? No? Can't be pushed?
Hey, watch out for me.
Are they the lock ones?
I think it's got a big gunk in it.
Yeah.
No, it's starting to work now.
Has it got money in it? No dollars in it?
No.
So what brand is it?
Woolies.
Woolworths, isn't it? Yes, it's a Woolworths brand. Awesome.
Actually,
How about you put your junk in there now? Awesome.
look what I did to you.
Hang on, Christian. Sorry.
Hey, look at this.
We've got a trolley to put our rubbish in. So what do you got there?
Looks like.
Is it a butter knife?
I'm not too
Have a
sure.
look. Have a look at that part. Looks like the handle. And this end here is missing the blade part.
What, Etsy?
Oh, yeah.
Etsy?
You know the butter knife?
What?
Yeah. Yeah, maybe.
Yeah, I'd
What,
say so.
Etsy?
You got some? There's actually stuff falling out in that bush over there. When Tommy was pulling out the trolley, we might have had some stuff. Sorry? Right there. It sounds like it's gliding. It looks like it's gliding. Ooh, give your magnet a clean. Let's see that magnet anyway. Wow, that's why it's not catching on properly, because it's catching a little bit.
Oh, rocks are getting next to it.
Yeah. Let's look. You missed out on that, man. It's just sitting there. See on the floor? Yeah. What is that? Bit of metal. Looks like the floor or roof of a car.
It looks like the side of a car.
Yeah, you know how you're sliding? Your magnet keeps sliding?
Yeah.
Do you know what I mean? As you're dragging?
Yeah.
And Let's see if there's. See those two ends there?
Yep.
There's two poles sticking up. Let's work that one.
So we have some more of those,
Brick ties.
yeah. And then just some random metal objects and some.
What's that round thing underneath it?
I've got no idea.
Put it on the palm of your hand and just hold it out.
Is that better?
That's a better view. I'm not sure what that is. Careful, son. Okay, let's see what else you pull out, buddy. You've definitely got something there, haven't you?
I did, I almost come off.
What do you got there? What is that? That's strange.
Yeah.
That's a rare find. Any idea, guys? Let us know. Thanks. Is that like a little...
Like a little joystick.
I wonder what that is. Unusual. Okay, let's see what else we find. What do you think? More metal? What the hell is that? What is that? Any idea, guys? Let us know. What else is on the rest of your magnet? Just
nail.
bits of metal. Awesome.
That's it,
Okay.
I don't know.
What's that? Is that part of? Was that part of that thing?
Oh, it looks like a button.
Different.
It's
Is that a cable?
cable wire.
A big cable wire, isn't it?
Yeah.
Shark.
Awesome.
Looks like a bloody parasite.
A parasite.
Something. Alien.